There's a new safety facility in Lake County to make sure first responders are ready when you need them in an emergency.
Wesh 2's Lindsay Sablon is live in Clermont. And not only is this helping with the safety there, it's saving homeowners money. Lindsay, how is that working?
That was my first question as well. Basically, fire departments get a rating 1 to 10 on how well they're protecting you. This facility is an ISO 1, the only one in Lake County. And when this is in your backyard, basically your home insurance is cheaper. We also got to look at what they can do inside.
There's nothing like the real thing to understand what you're up against in the field. Wednesday, Clermont firefighters and police demonstrated some of the new classes that will be held at this public safety training facility off 12th Street. The assistant chief of operations for the fire department says this will help make responding to different scenarios muscle memory.
We don't fight fire every day. We don't have a VMR every day, but we don't have a training facility like this in our backyard, so it's not like we can just train on certain things every day.
Before this, they'd have to drive to Apopka or Leesburg, meaning...
And typically we have to take our trucks out of service because they can't respond from 45 minutes away.
That took the crew off the street for at least a day. This will also be the training hub for Clermont's police department. The chief says this will allow them to double classes, and they'll start with
relocating our defensive tactics training room and virtual reality training simulator.
The deputy city manager, Dan Mathis, says everyone was behind this for one big reason.
We're the fastest growing city in Lake County, and we're the biggest city in Lake County.
In October, Wesh 2 reported on a new fire station coming to this neighborhood off Wellness Way because of that growth. 6,000 new units are either laid out or already occupied there, and another 15,000 are planned, making this training close to home even more important.
And this building is where the police department will eventually move into. They hope to have regional partners like Mineola and Groveland also train at this site. As for this complex behind me, this was actually the abandoned Public Works building, and those firefighters came in on their hours off and actually did all the painting and fixing up, so it's up to snuff. Covering Lake County live in Clermont, Lindsay Sablon, Wesh 2 News.